Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X4 xDrive30i, an individual Malachite Green II with the black interior with red contrast stitching. All right, so this is the 2025 BMW X4 xDrive30i, an individual Malachite Green II. So let me do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And once we've done that lap, we can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So now that we've done this lap, let's jump right in. So this is individual Malachite Green II. It kind of looks brighter than a British Racing Green, and I don't know where it stacks up against a Brewster Green, but this is my first time seeing Malachite Green II on an X4 and in person, and it looks really good. So we've got these lines coming down lengthwise on the hood, BMW rondelle up front and center, one piece gloss black kidney grille with the these little star designs. Got the front facing camera, front plate bracket is on with the M Sport package design. Looks like we've got some radar down here, functional air, and some active shutters back there and in here as well. Now we've got the headlights on. Let's get the pathway lighting on so you can see the full low beam system on. So if we take a closer look, these are the BMW laser headlights. So you've got the blue accents inside of there. In this gen, the LEDs and the lasers had almost the same form factor, so I feel like there's more incentive to get lasers on the pre-LCI headlight design. But these do look really good. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 699M wheels in midnight gray burnish with the red M Sport brake there, so that looks really nice. And looks like we've got some Michelins on there. And we've got body colored over fenders, little cutout design on the fender here. Body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. And up top, we have the sunroof, shark fin style antenna, and we have this style of door handle with the touch comfort access on all four door handles. And we do have a bit of a welcome light carpet, but it's a bit hard to see with this lighting. And side profile view. X4 looks good. There's the rear 699M wheel with the red caliper. Hofmeister kink, little deck lid spoiler here. And you've got the tailgate actually slightly lipped up. And we've got the L-shaped tail lights. Vertical reflectors on each side with the freeform exhaust down here on each side. Diffuser in the middle. And xDrive30i badging over here. This is actually the handle to open this up, but I got the key so I can just kick my foot underneath the middle. So once this opens up, we have this cargo cover and this cargo cover, both of which are here to hide your contents. We have a 12-volt plug, a grocery bag hanger. The storage area is just underneath here, down at the bottom. We have a little pocketed area here with a net, and if I lift this up, there's another little storage compartment at the bottom on this side, and that little box has your wheel lock keys in there. And once I put these back on the sides, if I lift this part up, there's a cutout area where both of these cargo covers can be stored, a bit more storage space, and there's your tow hook. So once we're done with this, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Perfect. Now when we come to the side, you'll see the passenger side has the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open. There's a spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, shut the door. We have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. So once I open that up, you'll see that we have the Black Vernasca Leather interior with the red contrast stitching, and it has the M colors on the piping. That looks good. And I'm just gonna undo the seatbelt for a second. So there's a release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. The center headrest can flip up or down. Armrest in the center. And cup holders are here. Pass through the center is this lever. And up top we have the lights and the swiveling coat hanger. And back seating surfaces look really good. I love the M colors on the piping. And on the back of each front seat, we do have some pockets, vents in the back of the center console, rear climate controls, a little storage area, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And there's a little recline function here. So if I pull this, I can adjust the recline angle of the back seats as well. So now that we've had a chance to look in the back seating area, let's shut this door and let's open up the front passenger door next. So once I open that up, again, we have a welcome light carpet also on the passenger side. Door panel looks great with the red stitching going across. Ambient light strip, carbon fiber interior trim, more stitching down here, galvanic window controls, and down here you've got your pocket. I love the Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the aluminum M door sill down here, and also, don't forget, it says X4 on the B pillar. We have full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension. Headrest is also manually adjusted. Love the seats. The contrast stitching looks awesome. M color on the piping. Got some contrast stitching across the dash as well, which is awesome. Massive display for iDrive7. Carbon fiber interior trim. Physical climate controls. Programmable memory buttons. Little storage area down here that has your wireless charger. A little designated spot to put the key. USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. Gear selector, push start button, iDrive controller. We also have some stitching on here. And lift that up, USB Type-C. A couple of paths there for cables to come out and not get pinched. So that is sweet. Let's shut this door, we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we open the driver door, just on the inside here, we've got unlock, lock, door pull, memory buttons, all 4 windows, side mirror controls, tailgate release, all galvanic, deep door pockets, M aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock. This one has the cruise control thing, so this one has assisted driving. Lights on the steering wheel so that your lights up when you're obeying in cruise control. Paddles on each side. Got the head-up display here as well. And on the underside of the rearview mirror, we've got some garage door openers. SOS button up on the top near the reading lights. Panoramic sunroof. Open that up. There's a light there with the mirror. And this can also self back park and parallel park. So now that we've had a chance to look at the driver position, down here there's a storage compartment, and further down 2 pulls for your hood release, 1, 2. So when we get to the front, you won't have to find anything, you just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B46 2-liter inline-4 twin power turbo, 248 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. Got the nice strap braces. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to close at the same time. So don't put fingerprints on the paint, just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around so we can get one last good chance to look at this Individual Malachite Green II. It looks really cool. It looks a bit more army than British Racing Green, if you ask me. But yeah, car looks great. And you know what? We're at the back of the car. Let's do a remote engine start, cold start sound test. So 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. One, two, three again to shut it off. So that's what it sounds like. Sounds pretty good. So now that we've done this whole lap, what do you think of this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X4 xDrive30i, an individual Malachite Green II with the Black Vernasca Leather with the red contrast stitching. I think this is a great spec. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.